The Edo State governorship candidates of the All Progressives Congress (APC) in last Saturday's election, Pastor Sageze Yamu has debunked claims that he is under pressure from party leaders to accept defeat. In a statement by his Director of Communication and Media, John Mayaki, the APC standard-bearer also condemned a video that went viral where he was calling on Governor Godwin Obaseki to return to the APC. This came as former national chairman of the APC, Comrade Adams Oshomole, said he's not down and all hopes are not lost, urging the media to desist from speculative reports. Ezeyamu said, "I was shocked yesterday when I saw reports saying I begged Obaseki to return to APC after the election. While immediately responding to it, another one emerged. I will restate that I never begged him to return after the election. I deliberately did not reply when I saw all that rumor on the social media with people tagging me in them. Now, I saw another report in the media stating that APC leaders are mounting pressure on me to accept defeat. In all fairness to the national leadership of my party, they never mounted any pressure on me. So I wonder where their source got information from. The public reposes a lot of trust in the media for authentic information. What happens when this trust is betrayed?" Meanwhile, Ezeyamu reiterated his earlier position that he had not yet made up his mind on the next step to take. He said, "I already tweeted that I am studying the results and consulting widely on my next line of action. Speculative reporting must be condemned. When I make up my mind, I will let my supporters know. For now, patience is what I implore. Not violence, not anger will help us now. Dignity will manifest in how we bounce back from this minor setback," he said. President Muhammadu Buhari, the chairman of the APC Caretaker Committee, Governor Mai Malabuni of Yobe State, and a faction of APC in Edo have congratulated Governor Obaseki of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) on his victory on the election. On Wednesday, Buni and Kogi State Governor Yaya Bello met with Ezeyamu at Governor Buni's Abuja residence in what sources said was to discuss the way forward after the Edo poll. "I am not done. All hope is not lost," Oshomole says. Meanwhile, Comrade Adams Oshomole, who broke his silence on last Saturday's governorship election, said he remained positive and that in life all hopes are never lost. In a short video apparently taken in his gymnasium and posted by G Africa TV, Oshomole said he's feeling good, that he's feeling good, that nothing they happen. He said, "You know, in life you work hard and leave God for the outcome. You do your best and trust God to bless your effort. I feel good, I feel healthy, thank God. I feel strong, thank God. In life you win some and you lose some, but life goes on. I want to thank everybody. I am sure a lot of people think Comrade is down, but I am not down. Oh my goodness, clap for yourself. You are not down. Really, we can see. When God says you are not down, you are not down, and I am not down. I thank Edo people for all they did over the past 2, 3, 4, 6 weeks. People under the rain, under the sun, young ladies carry babies on their back. I saw elderly women struggling to see my small face, and on election day, I was moved to tears when I saw elderly women of 70 to 50, 70 to 75 sitting down because the card readers were not working, and they were not frustrated with that. They struck me with that. If at their age they didn't give up, why should I give up? Of course, you cannot give up now. Hey, do you know what you have gained? Since you have come to the limelight, do you know what you have gained? No, how can you be bothered? Oh, it's not, it's just like when a child is scolded, you say, "No, I'm not crying." I mean, why you could see it all over his face, we just be laughing at the baby, say, "Oh, this one, we have done this one, we've passed this stage." So that is exactly what Oshomole was doing in that video, and that was what he was talking about. He said, why would you be discouraged? You can't be discouraged now. It is those who do not even know the direction of this country that will be, hitting their head on the brick. So, guys, Pastor Sageze Yamu said he never said it. He never said. Then why have you not congratulated him? He didn't tell us. he has congratulated, oh, that they are not, he's not under any pressure to congratulate Obaseki. Whether you congratulate him or it makes nothing. It is inconsequential. The most important thing is that the man has already won, and that's it. Even if you congratulate him in the next whatever to come, it makes no. It's inconsequential. It makes no difference. And saying that you are still studying it, you are very very free to study what is happening. The whole thing for you to have won only 3 local governments area is something that you really need to study, because even me as a person, I'm not even in your party, neither I'm in the PDP's party. I was just surprised that how can PDP with 15 local government based on what we have heard? Because when most of the time they will come and tell you, oh, forget what is happening on the social media, but the same social media made us to believe that Obaseki was on ground, but they are telling us to forget social media, that they know what is on ground, that Obaseki does not have the roots, it does not have there's no relationship, there's no correlation between himself and the people. That was what we were made to do, to believe. Oshomole told us that this man, just an MOU, he has done nothing. Somebody who did not do anything. How come? And the whole world stands still that yes, this election, that Saturday election was free and fair. The whole world stood by that. The whole world stood by that. So if the whole world stood by that, because one would have thought maybe it was rigging, because like I'm so surprised that with the narratives, they are telling us not to believe what is happening on social media. And thank God for social media, because the conventional news stations, whether radio or TV, they are afraid to speak. But the social media will tell you the way it is. Some of the news that we get, go to the conventional TV stations or radio stations, they don't even say it there. You get the real news on social media. Of course, there's nothing that is perfect. You could see some isolation cases that some news are fake. But for you to know fake news, by the time you look at it thoroughly, look at it holistically, you know that okay, this one is fake. But how many of them are really fake? Majority of the news on social media are very very accurate. So for you to come and tell us that oh, forget what is happening on social media, we know it. You can deny it for all you care. That day they told us, that very day of election, Oshomole came out and say, oh, all the this thing they are bandits around, all the figures, all the results of that election, that people were just that a PDP was releasing all those, they are dishing out all those election results, that Nigeria should not mind them, that the real one INEC will provide at the end of the day. People are like, oh, it could be true. Maybe PDP supporters are the one bringing it out. Some people said, no, 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 this results are coming from INEC, from polling units to polling units. But they told us that we should forget about social media reports. But at the end of the day, eventually, all the social media reports concerning the election that were coming out before the final results, they were true. So we know how all of these things play. You can tell us you are not under pressure. You are not under pressure. So then what are you waiting for? Meaning you did not even accept the defeat in the first place. But well, you are entitled to your opinion. If some things are not clear, of course you need to get clarity to know what really happened or what really went wrong. So you say it's not perturbed. I'm not under pressure to accept defeat. I will bounce back, says Ezeyamo. So guys, leave your comment below and let us know your thoughts on this. Thank you.